G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just touching base on today's work. Today was quite a large house. We've carried out some shade sail cleaning on this premise, also low level cleaning, external gutters and eaves right around the premise. They were done via soft wash, the low level flat concrete obviously with a surface cleaner and pressure washer. And once it was all finally cleaned off, we went through and sealed today with ProSeal 896 water-based sealer. Goes on a wet surface, fantastic for all sorts of concrete, sandstone and retaining walls. And jobs come up fantastic, customers very happy. Thank you.